viewers all over the world. You're welcome once again to Belemata Kitchen, the most watched kitchen program on the internet. Today we're going to learn how to make one of the soups that are very popular in the eastern part of Nigeria, West Africa, and it's called Ofe Nsala. Some people refer to it as white soup, while some people call it pepper soup. But the issue is it's known as Ofe Nsala in the eastern part of Nigeria, West Africa, I mean within the Igbo community. Now come with me to the kitchen so that I will meet our cook for today. Let's go.
Today in our kitchen we are going to be making pepper soup, or Nsala as locally called. In our ingredients we have chicken. You can make it with chicken, you can make it with beef, anyone that you prefer. We have yam, already peeled and cut yam, fresh yam. We have Maggi cube and nut cube for your seasoning. We have grinded pepper, dried pepper that is grinded. We have salt, and then this is the pepper soup spices, already grind pepper soup spices. These are the ingredients needed for the pepper soup spices. First of all, you wash your yam and put it in a pot for boiling. Then you add water. Put your yam in fire for it to boil. This is onions. It's optional for your meat. If you want to add it, you can add it. If you don't want to add it, you cannot. You leave it. That's why I say it's optional. Even dried fish is optional too. I didn't put it because I don't want to add it, but it has its own taste in the pepper soup. Then put your meat in a bowl. Add water. And put it in your pot for steaming. Slice your onions. And washed. Add your onions and the meat for the steaming. After that, you add your cube, your seasoning. I added 2 Maggi cube for the seasoning of the meat. Add a little salt. Then your meat is ready for the yam is ready for pounding. When you bring your yam down, put your meat for the steaming. And when the meat is on fire, put your yam in your mortar for pounding. They have if you cannot boil or pound the yam, you can buy pounded yam, the one that is in a sachet. Then you pound your yam. You are pounding it. If you notice that the yam is not sticky, add a little water, little, not too much. Pounded yam is for the thickening of the soup. You pound it until the yam is soft. The yam is ready. It's ready because there is no single seed of yam in it. It is soft now and it has become sticky. The way it will be okay to thicken the pepper soup or the nsala. After you have steamed your meat for like 30 minutes, you add more water, not too much, so that your pepper soup will not be watery. But if you have enough thickener or yam to thicken it, you can put enough water. After you have added water, you stir it so that the water will go around. And then add your pepper to taste.
Dried pepper.
Or dried pepper to taste. Add your pepper soup spices.
Your ready-made pepper soup spices, you can find them in most supermarkets and departmental stores.
So after you have added your already pepper soup made spices, you put your pounded yam. You'll be putting it bit by bit so that it can dissolve faster.
one is meant to thicken the soup.
For the thickening of the pepper soup. Then you stir it a bit. If you notice that it looks watery, you add more. Notice that it looks watery, add more. After that, you add your cube, your seasoning. After that, you add your salt to taste. When you have put all this, you cover it for the yam to dissolve.
Leave it for some minutes, maybe 5 minutes or maybe a little bit more.
After 10 or 5 minutes, come back. As you can see, the yam is dissolved and the soup is thickened, and right now it's ready for eating.
Ready to be served. Viewers all over the world, behold, ready to be eaten, mouth-watering, tantalizing looking Nsala soup, all the way from Nigeria, West Africa. This is a very special delicacy within the Igbo community of Nigeria, West Africa. You can eat it with any other thing like fufu, you can eat it with pounded yam, you can eat it with wheat, among other things. Thank you for viewing. Viewers all over the world, I'm sure you enjoyed watching our program, Belemata Kitchen. Now, you want us to do any kind of thing for you, cook for your events, your birthdays, your wedding, or any kind of ceremony, you can reach us on any of these numbers or emails showing on the screen. And until we meet again next time, have a great day.